Hi guys, this is shrimp fried rice prepared on a non-wok style. If you're interested in learning how to make this recipe, follow me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm using 1 cup of leftover rice. I'm also using a quarter white onion cut into thin long strips, and I'm using 6 tiger prawns divided into 2 bowls, 3 prawns cut into small chunks just like that, and the other 3 sliced in half. I'm also preparing half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro to garnish. I'm also using half a bag of peas and carrots and half a bag of sweet yellow corn frozen. Marinate the meat a little bit by adding about 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper to each portion of the prawns. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds to the meat. Divide it into 2 portions, so each portion has about 1/8 teaspoon and the other is 1/8. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt into the meat just like that. Add 1/8 teaspoon of sugar as well into each. Heat is medium. Add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter. From now on, it's pretty much straightforward if you watch my video. Just add in minced garlic and then shrimp and stir fry it until it's cooked. Doesn't have to be completely cooked because we're going to cook it again. I just want to get the edges a little bit brown, and then I'll take all the meat out. The chunks of shrimp stay behind, and I added in white onion strips and stir fry it, and then add in my rice and just keep tossing until everything absorbs into the rice. And then I add in my peas and carrots and then corn, and then continue to stir fry it again. Basically, I'm just trying to add more color into my fried rice so it looks more appetizing. This is another way to prepare your fried rice without using a wok. It may not taste as good, but it's almost as good. Sometimes I like it because it's easier to clean. I'm using my green pan. It's one of my favorite pans, and I'm not advertising for them, but look it up on Amazon, green pan. You'll love it. Now I'm just going to whisk in my 2 eggs, and I'm going to let it sit for a little bit until the bottom is slightly cooked. Then I use my chopstick to continue to stir just like that. You see why I'm doing that. Since I'm not using a wok to prepare my fried rice, I need to be very careful what ingredients I add into my fried rice. This is the reason why I added the egg mixer in the middle, so I can be sure it is cooked and dry. Then I will mix the rice and the egg mixture together. Doing so will ensure my fried rice turns out nice and dry. Now add cilantro and the rest of the prawns in and give it a good toss to make sure the prawns are completely cooked. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I have more videos coming up. Please subscribe so you can be notified. That is it for this shrimp fried rice recipe. Thank you so much for your time and patience. For those of you who just visited my channel today, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you can give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. For my subscribers, thank you so much for your patience and your support. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye now.